A round of applause, everybody! Hello, Lee. How are you doing? Actually, Lee is one of my first friends I've made in the industry. It's good to see you again. So how are you feeling today, Lee?
Yeah, I'm feeling great. Excited na ako sa mga katanungan para sa aming mga housemates. Kaya yeah, let's have some fun today.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Lee. And congratulations as well to your newest single.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lee. And next, ang ating beautiful langganang Cebu. Let's give it up for Clifford. You may step forward for a photo opportunity. Thank you so much, Clifford. Or should I say, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. So do you have any message for your fans here in Metro Manila and all the way to Cebu? I'm sure they're watching right now.
Siyempre, sobrang grateful talaga ako sa lahat ng supporters ko, especially after PBB. Doon ko po nakikita yung mga tao kung sino talaga yung nandun para sa akin. So I'm just super grateful and I'm excited for today. Kaya let's all have a good time.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Clifford. You may now join with me. Mag-chill muna kayo dyan. And now, let's give a warm welcome to the wonder brother ng Antipolo. Let's all give it up for Marco Massa. Thank you so much, Marco. Looking wonderful today. So before you sit down, I just want to know what's one word to describe what you're feeling this afternoon. Just one word.
I'm excited. Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah, super excited.
Yes.
And hi guys, good to have you here, and I'm gonna have fun.
And we're also excited to get you know further. Marco, thank you so much. Now you can sit down with Lee and Clifford. And ito na. We're going to welcome in our big placers this edition. Now presenting our fourth big placer, ang Royal Songstress ng Bulacan. Let's all welcome Princess Aliyah. I love how the male housemaites are very supportive. Hello, princess. Alam mo, may kulang sa outfit mo. Crown. Because you look like a princess and she sounds like a princess. Narinig mo ba siya kumanta? She sounds like a Disney princess. So, princess, do you have any message, of course, for the people here with us today? Our Sparkle officers and bosses, and of course, our friends from the media.
Well, of course, una po sa lahat, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Thank you po for lending us your time po. And hopefully, mag-enjoy po kayo. Thank you so much po.
Thank you as well. You may now take your seat, Your Highness. Thank you, Princess. And now, up next is our third big placer. Let me call on ang ating longing sweetheart ng Las Piñas, no other than Ashley Sarmiento. short and sweet message for your fans?
For my fans, I just want to say thank you po sa suporta po na patuloy niyo po binibigay sa amin before PBB, during PBB, and after PBB.
Yes, very supportive of fans ni Ashley, of course. Thank you so much, Ashley, for that. Now, I believe you guys are also excited to hear from our second big placer, ang fighting prince ng Taguig. Let's give it up for Heath Hormaz! Hello, Heath. You may stand first here in the middle for a photo opportunity, of course. Thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. Ang tanong ko sa'yo is, kung makapag-text ang manok, joke lang. Ang question ko for you is, syempre, what is your message to your fans, to your supporters, and of course, our friends right here?
Ang message ko po sa kanila is, I just want to say thank you to everyone po that has been supporting us po. And I'm really happy na they're always there for us. And then, just want to let you guys know na I still pray for you guys every day. You guys are really the reason why na dito po kami lahat. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
What a very sweet message. Thank you so much, Heath, for that. I think kompleto na sila, no? Or may kulang. Sino ang kulang tingin niyo? Sino ang kulang pa? Yes. Ito na, finally, presenting our big winner, ang demure daughter ng Quezon City. Let's all welcome Caprice Cayetano! Who's first here in the middle? Thank you so much, Caprice. Looking very fresh. And now you're fresh outside the PBB house. Nag-sink in na ba sa'yo that you are the big winner?
Hello po, good afternoon. Hindi pa rin po nagsisink in sa akin yung nangyayari ngayon. Thank you all for coming po and maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa aming lahat. Let's all enjoy po!
Thank you so much, Caprice. I would like to request everyone, of course, to please settle down. Let's take a seat, everybody. I know you guys are all excited and energetic as we have seen our housemates, of course. But now, I would like to request everybody just to take a seat. Everyone? Alright, thank you so much, everybody. And of course, congratulations once again to all.